Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title what we doing today. Today I will be doing a mixed sausage, cheese, tomato wrap. Okay, so yeah, I know you guys have been waiting on me to do cooking videos. If you haven't, well, I'm back. I'm gonna do a cooking video for you today, and that's just on period. And we're gonna get right into it because it's at nighttime and I'm hungry. So yeah, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click the notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. We're gonna get into it. I'm gonna do a voiceover. I know it's been almost years I ain't do a voiceover, but I will be doing it today. So we're gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna just be recording, doing a voiceover. So let's get it. Starting off with our sausages and the water, letting this boil, and I'm going ahead and go to the other stuff while it's boiling and come back and tell you guys how this going.
Okay, so we will be starting off with some fresh vegetables. I will be mixing mixed vegetables with corn because the mixed vegetable bag I had, it didn't have as much corn I wanted. So yeah, we're just gonna start off with some fresh out of the freezer mixed vegetables, and that's that. So what I did was set my pan on high. I added the vegetables first before the water. You're not supposed to do that, but you can do it. I did it. Then I mixed it up. I didn't add no salt, no nothing, because I'm trying to stay away from that. Then I actually just cut some butter up so I can put inside the corn and the mixed vegetables for later after it's finished cooking. Now I'm back checking on the sausages. It's actually almost done. You poke a hole in it and make sure it get all the way through and cook. I'm gonna take them out and cut them up to put into the wrap. I'll come back and tell you guys the update, so stay tuned. So we're gonna put the butter in here and let it melt. And this is for the corn. I only put it on one because I'm trying to check it and watch it. So yeah, I'm gonna just dump it in the corn now. It's actually melted. I don't need it as much. I'm gonna just be pouring it inside the corn and mixing that and letting it sit in the corn. I'm gonna go ahead and chop the sausages up and everything. So you're gonna see that, and I'm gonna do a voiceover so you guys know what's going on. So stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click the notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. Let's get it. Okay, so now we're going to get into cutting a sausage. Now, there's two ways you can cut sausages. You can cut it straight, however you want it, and then cut the skin off, like what I did, or it's another way, and I will show you that in a second. Then the second way I did it, I actually just cut the sausage skin off and then just chop that up. After cutting it so small, that can be your meat that you can put in your wrap, and you put it up until you're ready to make your wrap. Then I'm starting with fresh tomatoes. I actually washed the tomatoes, and there's actually two ways you can cut tomatoes as well. The first way is actually just cutting it down the middle and cutting it as small as you want to. The second way I did is actually cut the half a piece and another half, and then cut it, making it more pieces that you have and easier to actually cut. So what I'm doing here is actually trying to cut it and then break it apart, so when I put it in the frying pan, it's easier to actually cook. I've wrapped everything that I just cut up for later until I make all the wraps, and you see me breaking apart the meat. Okay, so now I'm taking my cheese, cutting it into strips and as small as I want it to be, but I don't want it too small. We want chunks, so when it melts, it tastes good. Now we got our tortilla. We making our sausage, tomato, cheese. So what you do is actually make sure all the stuff is in the middle. You take your ending pieces, fold that in, and then just go ahead and roll it up. And that's how you actually wrap a burrito.
Okay, you guys, so I'm actually gonna pop this in the microwave for a couple of minutes so the cheese can melt. I didn't actually do the wrap with the vegetables yet because it's not done cooking. So just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click the notification button because it's there for a reason. And we just gonna get right into it, okay? This is just the sausage, cheese, and tomato. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be eating because the vegetables is still cooking and I'm hungry. So yeah. Later, I'm gonna make the wrap still, but I'm just hungry. So yeah, it's gonna be mixed vegetables, cheese, different kind of meats, and sausage and tomato, and then I'm gonna wrap it. So stay tuned for that. That's just on period.
I'm actually gonna go ahead and start cooking the meats that I actually broke apart earlier, of course. So you don't want to have that sitting in one place. I already learned that. You just want to move it around so it can cook evenly. So yeah, and if you want to, you can mash it up, do whatever. Make sure you just get in the meat, okay? My God, now my corn mixture of vegetables is finally done. I'm starting a burrito, wrap it, and then I'm gonna end up frying it later. So this is the meat that I was cooking on the stove. I actually added that first. Then I went in with tomato and cheese, of course, with a little mixed vegetables and some sausages. Okay, made sure that was in the middle, and then I wrapped it. This burrito was big. I had to wrap it twice, so yeah. So after that, I started making all the burritos, the wraps or whatever, and add the same thing for all of them, of course. And yeah, then I started frying it where the opening was so it can stay sealed up. Basically, I just fried it on each side for a couple of seconds. That's depending on how high you got your stove. Mine was on high, that's why I cooked just a couple of seconds, 1 minute or whatever. Just make sure you check that. If you got it on low, it's gonna take a little longer. But yeah, I cleaned up, of course. Yeah. Now this is the final look of this. I'm making me a little plate. It looks so good. So yeah, now let's get into this little mukbang I'll put together.
Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done, I know you guys was waiting on me. And I know y'all see that. It's all dripping cheese. Whew, I'm hungry. So, ooh, that's good. That cheese is good. This is the first time I'm trying to make a wrap. Well, not the first time. I did a healthy wrap before, but I just didn't record it, you guys. But right here,
he fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean. Eat.
So this is the mixed vegetables, sausage, different meats, cheese, tomato. And I also made a regular one without the mixed vegetables because I was hungry. I know you guys seen that in the video, but don't mind me. I was hungry, okay? I got 3 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna eat 3 of them, but then I got some grape soda in a cup. But yeah. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and click the notification button. And also you can go ahead and comment what other videos you want to see. So yeah. It's all dropping, but now these vegetables, they was worth it. I'm hungry too. Better look. cheese for me. It's overdoing everything. But anyways, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click the notification button so you won't miss another video, because you never know what's going to come to my mind and what I'm going to post. So just stay tuned. Period. Because this is my journey, and that's that. Okay? I'm going to continue eating. So this might be a little mukbang / recipe, whatever. But if the video too long, I'm gonna keep it in. This is so good. It's just a cheese. It's a lot of cheese. Sausage, cheese, different meats, and mixed vegetables. I had overloaded one with extra vegetables because I wanted to taste it. I hope I got it. I think it's this one. Everything just dropping today. It's all dripping. I think that's it for me. Whew. I done recorded 2 videos today. And then I recorded this one at night because I had to go get the little tortito thing. Is they called tortitos? I don't know. Oh, my stomach. About to bust. And that was only 1.5. I thought I was going to eat all 3. My little greedy stuff. I was hungry too. I ain't eaten since this morning. You can't feel me now. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'm out, okay? I'm going to include pictures at the end of this video, and you already know. I already got the freaking, I got nigga-itis right now, so call me later. But for real, I'm so full, like, I just want to take a shower and go to sleep, period. And that's what I'm going to do. Anyways, I'm out, y'all. Wait, because I'm including pictures at the end of this, so, yeah. Bye.